Can you confirm from that side?
Yes.
I think the defendant.
Yes.
Interact in praying.
Abbas.
Yes.
Excuse me, counsel, the court is in session, please.
Very sorry. A lot.
So I have before me 2 dates, and we can have 2 dates of filing, particularly of the same process. So I've already intimated the counsel for the defendant. So you liaise with the registry of the court regarding the actual dates the defendant's process was filed. So as this will eventually affect any order that will be made by the court, particularly in relation to the fourth, 5th, 7th, and 9th claimants who have filed the notice of discontinuance. So you have to sort that out with the Sokoto registry. And so by the next date, or if you want to stand down, we can stand down. If you sort out the dates, then the court will then eventually do the needful. So that will be the position now. Or in the alternative, we take another date when we'll be having the matter for Sokoto and we'll give you that date. Yes, defendant's counsel. I can't hear you. You are muted. I think it's muted. What's this supposed to be? Huh? Defendant's counsel, are you on? Can you hear me, please? Is this not muted? It's muted. The counsel is muted. It's muted. Defendant's counsel, can you hear me? I think they are even assisting him over there. It's not in court. Okay. It's not in court. It's in his chambers, probably. Yes, can you hear me now? Yes, you were muted. You were muted. Yes, so I said we have 2 dates of filing, which you the date you filed your processes.
Hello?
The processes of the defendant. And eventually, this may affect the order that will be made.
We have 2 processes.
Can you hear me?
My Lord, with respect, we have 2 processes before the court. One was filed on 26 August 20, and the main response to the response.
What was filed?
To the claimant's claim was filed on 30th August 2024. The memorandum of
okay. So why is it two processes?
Yes, my lord. The memorandum of appearance and the PO were filed on 26th August 2024. The count was filed on 30th August 2024.
So why do you think the one that is supporting the different processes?
So
let me say, so when was the second one filed? The first one of 30th August was when, please? That's the initial. Is that not the originating? Where is
the first one was filed on 26th August 2024. That is the memorandum of appearance. 26th August.
All right, 2024.
2024. Yes, sir. The response to the main claim was filed on 30th August 2024. Which included a counter affidavit and a written address in support of the counter affidavit and in opposition of the claim.
When this is the main process, he's in 30th August. Why do we have another second date here?
Where is the second date?
It's the second date. It's all NIC Sokoto division.
10th of what? October? Yes, Council. What I'm saying, if you look at your process, the one that says in response to the main claim, we have 2 dates from Sokoto. That's why I say go and clear it with the registry. The first one is 30th August, and at the lower part, the same stamp of Sokoto division is reading 10th October 2024. We can't have 2 dates. No, so go and clear that with Sokoto, the registry.
We will do that. We will do that, yes, because we have the.
I'm asking, do you want to stand down or we take another date?
No, we would like to take a date. It's all such a very fundamental.
Yes, so go and clear it with Sokoto. One is reading 10th October and the other one is reading 30th October. 30th August, sorry. So I don't know, they are conflicting dates. And this will affect any order made by the court regarding the claimants that have discontinued or filed notice of discontinuance. So we'll give you another date. Please give me a date for Sokoto, the next date we have for Sokoto.
Yes, my lord. This one, maybe we will change it because now we have 3 Abuja.
Please give me a date in November. Because this one is not something that will take time. What about 19th? What about 19th is for this month? Councillor, how about 19th of November? If 19th is not okay, where is December for Sokoto? If 19th is not okay, then we have to consider December 11.
My lord.
Yes.
My lord, sir.
Yes, please.
I was just being given the link now.
Yes.
And I'm not even aware that the former registrar is dead. I've been trying his line, only for me to be told that he's dead. That's how I managed to know that he can't give me the link. And I started asking. I was just being given the link now, my lord. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, very sorry.
I'll put you on record. Yes, we have an issue here, so we are about taking a date. There are 2 conflicting. We are aware of a notice of discontinuance filed by claimants' counsel in respect of some of the claimants.
Yes,
so
my lord.
The response of the defendant via this process. There are 2 conflicting dates. One is reading 30th August and another is reading 10th October. So that has to be cleared with the registry there in Sokoto division. So until that is done, the courts will not be able to do anything, because anything the courts will do, these dates will affect any order that will be eventually made by the court. So that's why we're about taking a date now.
All right, my lord.
So defendant's counsel should sort that out at the registry. I believe that is from the voice. It should be. Is it Samuel or something? I don't know what's the name, please, counsel.
My lord. I was not even served any notice of discontinuance. I was not served anything. Right from the day of the last adjournment, my lord, I have not been with anything.
Please, who is on the line? Who is speaking now? Because I can't see any. Yes. Onimisi. What's the name? Who are you representing?
The two defendants, my lord.
Which of the defendants?
The first and second defendant, I've always represented them, my lord.
This is not the case. Sorry, my lord.
Please, this is not the case. Which case are you talking about? Don't take us back. We are on SK 05 2024.
I'm talking about the 01 2024, my lord, Sokoto.
Please, can you be patient, counsel? You can't just jump online and you start calling a different case. We are on SK 05. That's not your matter, please.
Okay, my lord. Okay, my lord. I'm very sorry. Thank you, my lord.
11th December, or what date do we have in November? 19th November or 11th December?
Yes. It's okay.
Which of the dates? Labaran, which of the dates, please? It's offline. Defendant counsel, are you with me?
November will respect, my lord. It's convenient for us.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, my lord.
Maybe for further mention. So case is adjourned to 19th November 2024 for further mention. Hearing notice to be served on the claimant's counsel.
As the court pleases.
So when you sort out the issue, we'll see if by then you must have, I think, filed an, because you have raised you say you filed a notice of preliminary objection. So that equally has to be served on the claimant. So you inform the court if you have filed an extension processes before then. So that will be all, Labaran. Thank you. 19th November 2024 for further mention.
As the court pleases, with much respect.
The court officer there, you can hear me, 19 November.
Yes, my lord.
Right, hearing notice to be served on the claimant's counsel.
Yes, my lord.
I think until they sort out. Thank you. Yes, proceed with the next.
Okay, my lord. NICN SK/06/2024. Sani Suleiman and 29 others by Kaduna Electric Distribution Company Limited, HEDCO. Information, my lord.
Do we have the parties, any of them in court?
Yes.
Them are online.
My lord, we have the first claimant.
Yes.
The 19th and the 25th claimant in court, my lord. First, 19th and 25th claimant in court.
Yes, I can see them. Yes. How about defendant? Absent. Appearance, please.
May it please my lord.
Yes.
Umar Aminu Kalgo. My lord, Kalgo is spelled K-A-L-G-O.
Yes.
My lord, I appear for the 1st to the 30th claimants. That is all the claimants, my lord.
Yes, defendant counsel. Any counsel online for the defendants, please?
I sent him to go his number and email address, but no response. I told them.
No legal representation. Okay. We were served. This claimant counsel. Yes, the matter is for mention. They have been served through courier. Defendants, you serve them directly. No counsel. Yes, sir, counsel.
Respectfully, my lord. My
Yes.
lord, this matter comes up today for mention.
Yes.
And my lord, issues are yet to be joined between the parties.
Yes, counsel.
My lord, the defendant having been served.
Yes.
My lord, we will be asking for another date. For further mention, my lord.
All right.
Thank you, my lord.
You're welcome. I believe the date we have for Sokoto is 11th, counsel, 11th December.
My lord, my lord, 11th December is okay, my lord. It's all right with me.
All right. Matter is further adjourned to 11th day of December 2024 for further mention, and all processes shall be filed and exchanged before the next hearing date. Hearing notice shall be served on the defendants.
My lord, my lord.
You're welcome, counsel.
And permission, my lord, if we'll be allowed to take. Thank you,
can
my lord.
exit, decide. Thank you, counsel, or take your leave. We are in the courtroom there.
Thank you, my lord.
Thank you.
Sir, you can log up too.
Yes, the next, yes, registrar, call the next matter, Sokoto.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, my lord. NICN/SK/02/2029 or 2019. Mr. John Texin, that is corporate project. So, my lord, the case is for adoption of the final written address.
Do we have anyone in court there, any party in court or counsel?
No, my lord, they are not in court. But I saw I think, respondent counsel.
Yes, they would respond if they are online. Yes, appearances, please. Any counsel online?
Oh, no. Yes, you know now. I saw him join.
Yes, Omora, is that your matter? I'm going to DMR, what's the thing? Okay, yes, hold on. I'm just trying. You are for the defendant. Yes, I'm just trying to see who the claimant counsel is here. You are Odiama, Udoka Odiama. Yes, the last date was let me see. Yes, it should be Omora. I can see, yes, Omora. It's trying to
Yes,
get.
my lord, I am online. I'm having some serious connection challenges, please.
All right, please announce your appearance. Yes, Omora.
Respectfully, my lord.
Yes.
I don't know if the court can hear me.
I can hear you.
Okay. My lord, my name is S.O. Omara.
Yes.
I appear for the claimant.
Yes. Yes, defendant counsel. Yes. Yes. Yes, sir, counsel.
My lord, the matter is adjourned for adoption of counsel's addresses, and we are
Yes,
ready to
we have
proceed.
defendant counsel. That's why I asked you to get connected, defendant counsel. Yes, so that we'll hear you and see you. We have defendant counsel. That's Udoka Odiama. Yes, Odiama.
Okay.
Odiama, proceed, please.
The defendant's final written address was filed on the first day of March.
My lord, before, my lord, please. My lord, before counsel proceeds, we are out of time, so we need to, I will humbly apply that our application for extension of time be moved, please.
Omora,
Yes, my lord.
Odiama, have you been served with that? Can you hear her, Omora?
I couldn't hear her, my lord.
Okay, she has been served with your application. Oh, you said you have not been served. Okay, she has not been served, but she has seen the application and she will not be opposed to same.
Okay, as the court pleases, as the court pleases.
All the same, just hold on. I need to cite that application as well. Who is there? Bashima, come over, please. I don't know. Yes. When did you file? When did you file the application?
My lord, it was filed 15 July 2024.
A long time.
15th.
Okay, hold on. That was before the vacation. Yes, Omora, proceed with the application and move in terms, please. Defendant counsel is not supposed to say.
Yes. Okay. My lord, the application is filed on 15th July 2024. It seeks the order on the face of the motion paper, and there being no objection to the grant, we ask that the court grants it as prayed.
So in the absence of any objection to the application, all the prayers are granted as contained in the claimant applicant's application dated the 15th day of July 2024.
As the court pleases.
We are most grateful. We are most grateful, my lord.
So if that is cleared, then I think defendant counsel may wish to proceed accordingly.
Now, the defendant's address was filed on the 21st day of March 2024.
15th day of what?
21st day of March 2024.
Where are we there? Can you tell me? Yes, counsel, yes, 21st March, yes.
2024, my lord. My lord, we adopting as for argument in this.
Let me reduce this one here since she's before me. So I don't have to keep having it echo. So when we are done. Yes, counsel, I can
We
hear
adopt
you.
the said routine address as for argument in this suit, my lord.
Yes.
I will pray that the plaintiff's claim be dismissed and the defendant's counter claim granted, my lord. May it please the court.
Omara.
Yes, my lord.
Are you ready?
We're ready. The claimant's final address is filed on 15th July 2024 and deemed filed just this today, my lord.
Yes, thank you. Yes, counsel.
We adopt the said address as our closing arguments in this matter.
Yes.
And relying on the arguments and submissions made therein.
Yes.
We urge the court to grant the reliefs sought in our claim.
Will that be all, defendant counsel? Any reply?
Yes,
my lord, I did not tell any.
Hold on, let's hear. It's still online, yes?
My lord, I say on the other hand, we urge the court to dismiss the counterclaim with substantial cost in favor of the claimant.
Will that be all?
Yes, my lord, that will be all.
Yes, dear man.
My lord, we did not file any document on forms of law, but I only want to inform the court on just two issues, my lord. I pray the court to grant information to this thing, though I did not file. My lord, on the issue of front-loading,
yes, go ahead.
On the issue of front-loading, as adopted by the council, my lord, we submit that what cites admissibility of evidence discussed with the Evidence Act. Front-loading is not known to our law, and as such, we pray that such argument be discountenanced. The number 2, on the issue of affidavits that was said that was not signed in front of the Commissioner for Oath. My Lord, the affidavit before this court is duly stamped by the Commissioner for Oath, stating that same was done in front of him, and as such, we pray that the defendant's statement on oath and all what is said therein be accepted by this honorable court.
What dates do you have? Let me see what. Yes, Bernard. Where is that picture? 8 December. 11. No, 10. Your Sokoto is 11. Yes, ma'am. So we have to put 10. Okay. 10th December.
As the court pleases. As the court pleases.
Yes, you can't hear me. Omara.
Yes, my lord, I can hear you. As the court pleases. 10th December is convenient for me.
All right.
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord.
So the case is further adjourned to 10th December 2024 for judgment.
As the court pleases.
What's this? Bring it. What's the suit number? It's 2019. Okay. How about this is the last one for Sokoto. Okay. So call the next one, please.
Okay, my lord. NICN/SK/01/20/2024 between Dr. Hawa Mukhtar Abdul Karim versus Federal College of Education Technical Gusau. for hearing of applications, my lord.
Parties?
They are not in court, my lord.
Counsel, please. In courts, any counsel in courts in Sokoto?
With utmost humility.
No. Online.
With utmost humility.
Yes,
to my noble lord, Dr. M.M. Aliu.
M.M. Aliu.
Yes, my lord. For the claimant.
How about defendant counsel? We don't have any counsel for defendants. Yes, counsel.
Yeah, thank you, my lord. My lord, the matter is slated today for hearing dependent applications. Yes, my lord, we have a motion on notice filed on 25th January 2024.
Please hold on.
But
yes, counsel, you said it was filed when?
My lord.
25th January 2024.
My lord.
Yes, counsel.
Sorry, I have a challenge of a network here. I am online. I am online. I appear for first and second defendant.
Is that Musa Onimisi?
Yes, my lord. I'm having challenge of network. That's why.
All right.
I appear with A.A. Umar.
Yes, A.A. Umar.
Yes, my lord. The defendants.
Yes, Aliu, proceed with, you were trying to introduce your application.
Yes, my lord. Filed on 25th January 2024.
Yes.
My lord, it's an application asking for interlocutory injunction. My lord, will be seeking the leave, my lord, to withdraw this application because it has been taken by event. On the ground that, my lord, just last week, the first defendant forced the claimant to go or leave and vacate her office. So we can go on substantive matter, my lord.
Yes, defendants counsel, are you ready? Defendants counsel, are you ready?
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
Yes, my lord.
Is it Onimisi? Yes, Musa
Yes.
Onimisi.
Onimisi, my lord.
Is there any, I think there's, do we have any pending application by defendant to regularize their process?
It has been in the past.
Okay.
Yes, that's to regulate our processes as we file out of time, and we have been taking.
Okay, I think we took that on the last date. Okay, let's proceed with the substantive matter now. The application. Yes, claimant counsel.
Yes, my lord. in respect of the substantive application of the substantive matter, my lord, my lord, looking at the counter affidavit filed by the defendants, particularly, my lord, paragraph 11, 12, and 13 of the defendant's counter affidavit to the originating summons. Yes. There are certain allegations of crimes, and there are facts, my lord, that which are hostile. Therefore, my lord, we are.
Have you responded to this? I don't know why you are.
My lord, my intention, my lord, is to apply to my lord pursuant to Order 3, Rule 17, Paragraph 2 of this honorable court to exchange pleading, because my lord, this matter could not conveniently decide on originating summons, my lord, considering the dispute in respect of the facts.
So, counsel, please, I would want both counsel on behalf of the parties to address the court on this, whether we can proceed by originating summons or not.
Scott, please.
Yes. Is it Onimisi? I hope you are with us.
Yes, my lord. I have something to say on this matter, on this particular. My lord.
Okay, hold on. Let me put the the claimant counsel on record first.
All right, my lord.
Defendant's counsel, you referred the court to paragraphs 11, 12, and 13.
Yes, my lord.
All right. Yes, refer me again to the rules of court, please.
My lord, Order 3, Rule 17, sub 2, my lord, Paragraph 2. Empowers this honorable court to order for exchange of pleadings where the facts are hostile, my lord, are in dispute. We therefore urge my lord to make such order. We are most grateful, my lord.
All right. Yes, Yusuf.
Yes, my lord. In the first instance, my lord, when an application comes by originating summons, the defendant is allowed or empowered to also reply on affidavit evidence.
Yes.
In this situation, the defendants replied through affidavit evidence.
Yes.
It is only the court on its own that can issue or declare that what is in dispute should come by way of not affidavit evidence, but oral evidence.
All right, Yusuf.
And in this situation, my lord, the plaintiff have already responded.
Hold on. I think you're just saying that you have joint issues with the defendant.
Yes, my lord.
With the claimant, all right.
With the claimant, my lord.
Okay.
Which they have responded a reply.
Yes.
They did not raise it in their response.
Yes, Council.
On this issue now, for the claimant to be asking for issues to be joined orally or by evidence, they are now assuming the position of the court.
All right, thank you.
My Lord, I want to bring something to your notice, my Lord.
Yes, please.
In the past, before this particular matter, before this case for adjournment, the claimant has voluntarily vacated her position as the provost of Federal College of Education Technical, my Lord. So what I was expecting, my Lord, is a withdrawal of this matter.
I'm sorry, my lord, I'm opposing this line of
Counsel, you shouldn't go into, yes, it's okay, defendant counsel, or claimant counsel rather. So you have already made your point clear. You said you have joined issues, so I'm not asking you to go into the substantive matter. So you have already joined issues, so I think because we look at, please, where is Bashina? Let me see.
All right, my lord.
Yes, so I have to look at, since the defendant counsel say you have joint issues, so the court will then. I think it's a counter.
I'm sorry, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, from my records, they are pending application to make their counter properly before this court was never taken. My lord, we can be guided by the court. This today is for all the motions to be taken, including their motion to regularize their position. We can be guided by my lord's record. The last sitting, they attempted to identify their motion. My lord said, no, all motions, all applications should be taken today. So they don't have proper counter.
Hold on. That's the defendant's motion to regularize?
Yes, my lord.
I think that's counter affidavit. Defendant's motion to regularize counter. What about this? Defendant's motion. Yes, how many pending applications? I think I have one here. That's defendant's motion to regularize counter filed on the 20th of May.
20th, my lord.
Yes, of May 2024. That's to regularize the counter affidavit to originating motion.
Exactly, my lord. This motion was never taken as far as my record is concerned. It was adjourned to today, along with my interlocutory injunction.
So it should be regularized. Yeah?
So
what about this? Yes, there's just for me the any regularization. This one. So what is this one here? Yes, the defendant counsel.
Yes, my lord. Even as at that, my lord, if the application is taken today, that means we have joint issued with defendants. And
yes, but can you do the needful, counsel? Can you do the needful?
Okay, my lord.
Yes, because we can't leave that application hanging. Yes.
Okay, my lord. My lord, can I continue, my lord?
Yeah, just a moment, please.
All right, my lord.
Yes, defendant counsel.
Yes, my lord. This application was brought
Yes, please.
On the 20th day of May, my lord.
Is it 20th June or 20th?
What I have here is 20th day, my lord.
It was
May.
It's 20th May.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, okay, yes.
Asking for an order of this court for leave for extension of time.
Yes.
Within which to file defendant counter affidavit.
Yes.
In this matter, and it's already filed on 19th March 2024, my lord. And dated same. Dated same day, my lord. And another deeming same as properly filed and signed before this honorable court. And number 3, my lord, or any further order or orders as this honorable court may deem fit to make in the circumstances. And my lord, in support of our motion, it's a 7-paragraph affidavit. Seven-paragraph affidavit, my lord.
Yes.
Deposed to serve by self, Musa Unimsi Yusuf. Yes. Dated 25th May 2024, my lord. We also file written submission in support of the motion, my lord.
Yes, please.
Dated 20th May, my lord, 2024.
Yes.
That should be all, my lord. And we ask the court to grant our prayer.
My lord, we file a written address opposing this application. On 5th June 2024.
Hold on.
Okay, my lord.
So the orders are all granted as prayed in application defendant applicant filed on 20th May 2020.
As court pleases, my lord.
As court please.
Yes, Aliu.
Yes. So, my lord, I'm drawing my attention, my lord. My lord, we already filed our written address opposing the same application, my lord, granted now.
Huh?
My lord, there is fundamental problem with the application. I tell you that, my lord, we proceed with the...
Yes, the application is to regularize. Is that what you filed the counter? Your written address is in opposition to the originating summons?
Yes, my lord, let them do it. Let them comply with the rules of the court.
In opposition, all the same, I'm going to look at all the applications because what I have here Is this in opposition to, is it to the motion or for what?
Yes. Motion on notice filed on 20th May 2024, praying for enlargement of time, file counter, and a deeming order.
Please hold on, Council. I think there are so many applications here. I thought this should be for the, which one is this? For the originating summons, defendant's motion to regularize. So originating summons. Yes, because this is counter. Okay, yes, I got to now, Aliu. This motion now is a counter to the defendant's motion to regularize.
Yes,
to regularize counter. Is that not it?
No, my lord. Counter.
You are opposing that application of defendant.
My lord, we have to already withdraw our.
After the other. This application filed by the defendant on 20th May.
Yes, my lord.
You have filed counter to that. Is that what you are saying now?
No, not counter, my lord. It's a written address we filed.
A written address, sorry, in opposition.
Yes, my lord.
Okay, so it means.
And the written address was filed on 5th June.
I got you now. So if that is the case, just hold on. So I may have to. Yes.
My lord, I was never served with that application or with that written address. I was never served. I didn't have it.
Hold on, Council. I will check my records.
All right, my lord.
The records if they were served. So else we suspend everything and adjourn for him to serve the claimants, and we take off the. Then I will now have to withdraw my order. Yes. Yes, Sokoto registrar, you are there. Guide us, you are there in Sokoto, because you usually to us here. So let's hear from you. Any proof of service of that written address of is it the claimant served on the defendant, written address in opposition to the defendant's is it the counter affidavit or motion? Sorry, motion or notice.
Let me check, my lord.
I have claimant's written address here filed on what date? The 5th day of June 2024, opposing defendant's motion or notice. So let's know if there's a proof of service so that you save time. There's no proof of service. We may have to take another day to ensure that service is done on the appropriate party. Yes. Is the court officer there?
Yes, my lord.
Okay. There's no proof of service.
Yes, my lord. Do I? Just
a moment. So we have to.
One envelope. No, doctor. I don't envelopes.
I think it's enough. I serve him. It. Look at the process. I serve him to WhatsApp, but just leave him inside. I serve him to WhatsApp. Let's leave it was fine. He did not acknowledge. So it did not say anything. My lord, I'm sorry.
Yes.
My lord, I have gone through my WhatsApp. The problem, my lord, he did not acknowledge the receipt, but he read it. I served him immediately after the filing this process on the 5th June 2025. I'm not going
to listen to you, counsel, if I don't have proof of service in my records. I need the proof of service before the courts.
Well guided, my lord.
by oral, any submission, oral submission. I need it in my records.
I'm very well guided. I'm sorry,
So
my lord.
anything outside that will not be taken. Thank you.
I'm grateful, my lord.
If you are not in this matter, can you kindly mute your system, please? Kindly mute your system, please. Yes, where is Washington? Who is serving her? Give me the next one. Okay, thank you. So having checked from the records of court, there's no proof of service of the claimant's written address filed 5th day of June 2024 on defendant's counsel. No proof of service. In circumstance, the order of court granted today regarding defendant's application filed 20th May 2024 are accordingly vacated and same expunged from the records of court. Meanwhile, counsel shall accordingly serve on defendant's counsel his written address filed 5th day of June 2024.
We are grateful, my lord.
Hearing this. December. We have, what about there's a date I gave in November? Or okay, 10th December. Please check your diaries.
It's convenient, my lord, 10th December.
So the court shall take all the pending applications on the 10th day of December 2024, and the matter is adjourned.
As court, please.
Will that be all for Sokoto?
Abbas.
Yes, Abbas. So that should be all for Sokoto, so that we can proceed with the Abuja matters. Yes, can you come and exit this?
You want to go? No, no, I went to this time the coastal is blocked. Mama, this time she no come out from time. Other one not prepared, so people took this from my phone. I changed the phone. I get that. I don't know. Sharp, sharp, everything.